What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. We finally have my buddy Matt's 2016 WRX. You can just instantly hear that turbo whistle, guys. Oh, I love it. That's so awesome, man. All right, guys, so we're gonna start this POV off. This thing is sitting at 121k miles on the body. He did recently put a nice beautiful fresh block in her and a nice fresh tranny, so this thing's pretty much brand new, guys. And yeah, it's me, Matt, and then we got Juan in the back, so we're gonna let Matt start it off. And some gears, baby. All right, guys, so he obviously does have a full of NVIDIA exhaust on this thing.
Yes,
it's
sir.
Catalyst, right, Matty Ice?
Oh, yeah.
Catalyst exhaust, NVIDIA
Yep.
Q300 catback.
Yep.
What do we got under the hood, Matty Ice?
Mishimoto top mount.
We got a Mishimoto top mount. That's
flex fuel.
She's on flex.
AOS. TGVs.
Yep. TGV deletes.
EGR delete from way back in the day, from when you were able to do it to this car.
Fire.
And then I got an AEM fuel pump.
So she's literally pretty much full bolt on.
Full bolt on.
Full bolt on.
When
the only thing it's missing is headers.
It's just that.
That's
That's
absolutely it for a full bolt on WRX.
Yep. When I rebuilt the motor, I got the heads ported out from a machine shop, and then I got that everything redone. It's got
That's fired.
all
Your used to
new.
work at Subaru.
Oh yeah, my brother was a master tech, so I got everything rebuilt by him. All new springs, brand new heads from the machine shop. It's only making 16 pounds though. Yeah.
If you ask me, guys, this is the absolute best daily exhaust possible. If you're looking for a good sounding daily exhaust where you can still, you know, open her up, have some fun, but not, you know, annoy the family, give yourself headaches after a while, this is the way to go, guys. Technically only tuned on 16 pounds right now as well, guys.
Yeah.
Right, Matt?
Yeah, it's only on a braking tune.
It's obviously right. It's still on a braking tune. But she's already broken in. He's done a few oil changes.
Yeah.
So it's really a conservative tune right now.
Absolutely. Yeah.
But this thing still moves, man. That's for sure.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's fun enough.
Travis Subaru on. Oh, I love this. Yeah. Wow, that was a nice pop. Yeah, that was nice. Well, guys, we'll close the windows for you, and then we'll open them. We'll give you guys both. That was a nice ass pop, though. Holy crap. Just banged right there.
I love it.
That's nice. Let us know, guys, if you're down for a track video. I think I could get some guys together, hopefully, and rent out a day, maybe. Scrappy is technically ready. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Here we go, yes sir. This thing's sitting about what, at least 320 right now to the crank.
I'm not too sure,
about 270 to the wheels, 250 to the wheels, at least 300 to the crank.
Yeah, something like that. I don't know, I'm not sure because
I think it was just boogie.
yeah.
She knows when she got a boogie.
Right.
Very good.
Oh yeah. Oh, I love it.
I love fucking driving this thing. It's just enough.
It is, dude.
It's just enough for now.
Perfect daily.
Oh yeah. I think I have like 8,000 miles on the motor now and only like 10,000 or like 13,000 on the transmission.
Wow.
Full
10K on motor, 13K on.
Full bolt on since the motor got dropped in.
Right, with AOS.
I put everything that was on the old motor, I put it on this new motor. Except the ethanol. I didn't tune it on ethanol because I wanted to break it in and all that stuff first. But maybe eventually I will tune it back on ethanol.
I know. She's pretty much ready now.
Maybe.
Let us know in the comments, guys, what you guys think. Let us know if you guys think it's worth it.
1,000 likes on this video.
1,000 likes on this video and Matt gets this thing tuned. 1,000 likes. Make it happen, guys. 1,000 likes on this video. Matt gets this thing tuned on ethanol and gives this thing the boogies.
That's fucking loud. Dude, I definitely just scared the shit out of this car on the side of
Yeah,
it.
you did.
Dog's looking at you like.
Dog's just looking.
Oh.
Dog's like, you're an asshole, man.
Oops. Yo, they're definitely looking, bro.
some gears, baby. Remember, guys, if you're liking all the content and you're liking the channel, smash that like button. I truly appreciate Matty Ice for doing this for me. We love these cars, so I'm sure he doesn't even mind it.
Hell no.
It's definitely always an absolute blast. Even just sitting passenger in these things, it's so fun. We gotta step up and get a GoPro here, showing our like reactions and shit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Hell yeah.
We gotta go to the track. We gotta make a track video, bro. Just first ever track. You're gonna be track day. Send scrappy.
What do you want me to set up, homie?
Do like right here. Aim this way though. Yep.
Juanito's good with that shit.
Like this, bro?
Yes, sir.
You wanna try to get that water in the view too.
Nice drive. There's that Mishimoto top mount he was mentioning, guys. IAGAOS. Nice fresh block sitting at about almost 10K now, with a nice fresh transmission at about 13K. This thing's running like a champ, guys. Tuned by J. Perry. All right, guys. Hopefully you did just enjoy the POV. I appreciate my boy Matt for doing that for me. This build is absolutely beautiful. It's a gorgeous build, and he's always kept it in tip-top shape. I do have to give him that credit. Remember, guys, if you like all the content and you're liking the channel, smash that like button, do it all up. Subi fam out, baby.